A deer moving around in the forest, looking for food. McDonald's is closed. Pizza Hut, not happening. And but looking for some more. Runs into a hunter. And then runs away very fast. But the way the deer runs, it's almost like a half flying, half galloping. Very beautiful gait. So that is shown also in the syllable.